patient and disciplined and loving way. My stomach is growling. So the fourth thing I learned
was filming yesterday. You should see it's a hot mess over here. All right, this is Indigo. Oh, you hear my stomach? I was trying to get all my wrapping done. Line them. Bare on the cheeks will wash me out a little bit. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry. All right, so
Entering, okay, close. My stomach just growled so loud. My mom's cooking cinnamon rolls, and I cannot wait because they will be delicious. But I can't really see. But we can be internet friends, of course, of course. Iowa? No, I do not. My stomach is like growling right now because my mom was cooking cinnamon rolls, but I'm on live with you guys, so I can't go get cinnamon rolls. But
all right. For a primer, I'm gonna use the Angel Veil. My stomach is growling every once in a while, but for the most part, try not to. My stomach is seriously growling.